In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening. First, go to Task Manager. Over here, you will make sure that Google Chrome is closed. So as you can see, I have Google Chrome here. What you'll do is right click and then End Task. And then if you see it anywhere here, just do the same thing. Go to Details, and if you see Google Chrome here, what you'll do is right click and then End Process Tree. This should close all the Chrome files opened. And once done, next thing you can do is go to CMD and then run as administrator. So here's some few commands you can try. So first command, ipconfig /release and then press enter. Second command, ipconfig flush DNS and then ipconfig register DNS and then ipconfig /renew and then netsh winsock reset. And once done, you can close this down. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, search for Chrome, open file location. So what you'll do here is just rename this, put like 11 or number or anything, and then press enter and press continue. If it prompts you to continue, just press continue. And after renaming it, hopefully it should work. Now if you're still having issues, then go to Control Panel and then Programs and Features. Find Google Chrome from here and then uninstall it. And then when you reinstall it, you'll have to use Edge. You'll have to use Microsoft Edge to reinstall it. Just go here and just type Chrome in download. And you'll just have to re-download the browser and hopefully it should work again.